Hello everyone, and let's talk about why the Congress has been making some mistaken evaluations around telework. Specifically, it has been greatly overestimating the amount of federal workers who telework. For example, Senator Johnny Ernst recently claimed that only 6% of federal employees work in person full-time, while nearly a third work remotely on a full-time basis. That's just not right. That's not what's happening. The Office of Management and Budget, which is very credible organization that's what actually tracks all the federal data, shows that 22% of federal employees worked remotely in 2022, for example, versus 25% in private firms. And 61% of eligible hours are already spent in person. Only 10% of federal employees fully worked remotely. So federal workers are already working less hours teleworking than private sector counterparts. The congressional oversight is based on misconceptions around telework rates. And we need to really focus on what federal agencies are saying, why they're advocating for more flexibility than Congress and Senator Johnny Ernst and others are willing to give them. Telework has been shown to improve productivity and reduce costs. That's the simple facts of the matter. The Office of Management and Budget and individual federal agencies keep saying this again and again. They show that telework, having some time in the office and some time at home, not saying fully remotely, but giving the agencies the flexibility to have some people work some time at home is what really helps them improve efficiency and productivity. Also, employees are satisfied more and have higher engagement, and of course, happier employees are more productive employees. Also, employees are willing to work some of the time that they're not commuting to the office. So of course, they're spending longer working. Moreover, it helps us reduce costs by optimizing federal office buildings. So we spend less money of our taxpayer money on office buildings. So when I consult for federal agencies on this topic, this is all part of the conversation. That also enhances recruitment by offering flexibility. Employees have better work-life balance, that reduces turnover. So all of these things are really important for understanding that the congressional misconceptions around telework are quite harmful for actually good federal budget, for the federal budget and for the federal government effectiveness overall. Individual agencies need autonomy to tailor telework to their mission objectives. They need to be able to invest in technology to have good remote operations, which they've been doing, and they need to have regular evaluations of telework policies to maintain goal alignment, which is quite important. Totally agreed with that. Hybrid models, where people spend some time in the office and spend some time working remotely, enable collaboration effectiveness while boosting employee well-being, improving retention, recruitment, and productivity. And we really need a data-driven approach to flexibility to maximize organizational efficiency. I hope you've enjoyed this episode of the Wise Decision Maker Show. Please subscribe wherever you checked out the show and leave a review. It helps others discover the show and it helps us improve the show. And if you have any questions, email me at gleb, Gleb, @disasteravoidanceexperts.com.